All right, let me continue to talk about LLCs because there's a big misconception that operating a business out of an LLC protects you. Well, first of all, let's just talk about what an LLC actually is. Limited liability corporation. Look, folks, all an LLC does is it gives you limited liability protection while you're doing business, because as a sole proprietor, you're operating just straight out of your name, right? But when you operate out of an LLC, you are an individual that is on that LLC. So while the LLC may give you some protection while you're out doing business, when it comes to taxes, at the end of the year, you are going to have a K-1 distributed out of that LLC. And if you are the single member of that LLC, that K-1 distribution is going to go to you. When you are a part of an LLC, or let me just rephrase that. When you or I generate personal income, we have to pay taxes. Why? Because we are individual taxpayers, right? So when you're involved on an LLC, while it seems like you're protected, you're really not. Okay, because at the end of the year, that K-1 is going to come out and you're going to file a 1040 as an individual taxpayer. Listen, wealthy people do not make money in their own name. You need to have a private trust, a non-grantor, irrevocable, discretionary, and spendthrift trust own the LLC. Okay, so when you create the LLC, the trust is the member, not you. So now at the end of the year, when you're running your business out of the trust, right? Meaning you're the trustee, you are generating revenue for your trust, for your estate. At the end of the year, when it comes tax time, the K-1 is still going to go out. But guess what? It's going to go to the member, which is not you. It is the trust. And now the trust files a 1041, and the trust, not you or I, can legally defer taxes. Well, now, Josh, how do I use the money in the trust? Well, this trust is going to own everything that you own right now. Your cars, your house, your investments, which means the money in the trust can be used for all of those trust expenses, which is pretty much going to be all of your personal expenses once we sell everything to the trust. If you guys want to learn more about this, go to my website at liveiws.com or click the link in the bio, book an appointment with me and my team.